This is how to cover dark circles. Step 1. Use a orange corrector first. Step 2. Apply concealer. Blend concealer well. Step 3. Slightly apply translucent powder. You see the difference?
How to color correct extremely dark circles and hyperpigmentation. First, you want to hydrate your under eyes. You want to make sure that you're using the appropriate color correct for your skin shade. So a peach corrector is suitable for more fair skin tones. If you use an orange corrector, that's more for that medium deep skin tone. And a brick red corrector is more for deeper, darker skin tones. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Bright Eye Bright Fix Under Eye Corrector shade Pumpkin. I'm just going to place a little bit under my eye and blend out. So as you see, I've already corrected the darker part of my under eye. You want to make sure that you're applying your foundation around your dark under eye. Use a concealer 1 to 2 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. And final look.